In today's episode, we're decorating my console table for fall. We're doing it budget friendly. So if you're interested in seeing how it all comes out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I am Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now we all know it's fall season, so it's time for me to get this console table decorated for fall. So I'm doing it very simple using the traditional colors, the oranges, the browns, the burgundies, all that wonderful color. But I'm doing a little tweaks, a little things that I thought would make this table look very festive. So, I enjoy reading your comments, so I will look forward to seeing what you think of my console table for fall down below in the description. Now, I'm going to stop talking and jump into the cleaning and decorating of it all. Now I'm sorry for the camera being a little out of, I want to say, array. It's kind of tilted. I know, I need to do better. Forgive me. Now here's the overall look of my console table. Came out very cute, very festive. And I do like the pops of color I put in the green plant. I think it does a difference. Also on the bottom shelf, as you see, I added that green candle. The green candle came from the Dollar Tree. I've had it for years. And the leaf candle holder it's sitting on, those were thrifted years ago. I think it came out rather pretty. And then the lanterns, I did the fillers, the flowers around the other one, and then the fillers in the small one. Now up above, that little green pumpkin, my daughter's best friend, he makes those, and he made that for me, and I thought it would be perfect to put on this console table. This year, I wanted to add a bow to give a little bit more festivities to it. So I think it all turned out well. Let me know down below what you think of my fall console decor, and I'll catch you in the next episode.